Poda means to try or experience doing something. For vowel endings a and o, we use poda. For example, khada becomes kha poda. And for other vowel endings, we use o poda. For example, mogda, it becomes mogopoda. And for hada ending verbs, we use he poda. For example, khungbu hada becomes khungbu he poda. Let's understand this using some examples. I want to try that tea. 그 차를 마셔 보고 싶어요. I want to try going to that park. 그 공원에 가 보고 싶어요. In these two sentences, two grammar points are used. The first, a o poda, which means to try, and second, go shibda, means to want and desire. The combined structure will be verb plus a or o poda plus go shibda. You cannot reverse the order. For example, if you want to say I want to try going, you will say 가 보고 싶어요. You cannot say 가고 싶어요. Poda is also used to give suggestions or advice. For example, you should try these clothes. 이 옷을 입어 보세요. We should try this food. 이 음식을 먹어봐요. When we use poda in past tense, it shows someone's experience. For example, I have tried kimchi. 김치를 먹어봤어요. I tried calling my friend. 친구에게 전화해 봤어요. My mother has been to that restaurant. 우리 어머니는 그 식당에 가봤어요. In future tense, it shows intention. For example, I will try eating kimchi. 김치를 먹어볼 거예요. I will try to go to that shop. 그 가게에 가 볼 거예요. I will try to do it again. 다시 해 볼 거예요.